Hey, what's up you guys? It is Daletia. Thank you for tuning into another video. This is where we help entrepreneurs manifest a bigger business, brand, and mindset. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the swipe up feature on your Instagram story with under 10,000 followers. Now, listen, I know we all see people with these swipe up features and we're wishing that we could do the same. So I'm definitely going to show you a super duper quick, easy, and effective way that you can do it too. Let's get into it. The first thing that you have to do, of course, is go to your app store, or if you're on Android, and download the IGTV app. Now that you have your IGTV app downloaded, you want to click the little plus button in the top right corner, and you're going to find any video, or if it's a previously recorded video or a video that you just recorded, because, well, actually I suggest creating a new video so that way you can let people know where to click the link, and I'll show you why here pretty soon. So you want to find a video that is between 1 minute and 10 to 15 minutes. I'll put the time exactly right here that IGTV maxed out at. So here's my 1 minute clip, and we're just going to add this. We're going to keep the cover art the same, all of that super cool stuff. So now we're going to add a title. And now in the description, you want to put your link as the very first thing. And the reason being, you don't want people to have to swipe trying to find this link and everything else. So you're going to add this link very first. And the reason why you want to make a video to let people know your call of action is so they'll know exactly how to locate the link. In your video, I would suggest to say something like, hey, what's up you guys? I just recorded this new YouTube video, and you can swipe up and make sure you click the title so that way you can click the link and get access to the video, or get access to your freebie, or get access to your workbook, or whatever it is that you're using this IG feature for. So we're gonna type in a website. And I'm just going to type in the website for my lead magnet. And I'm just going to write test. So the next thing is you want to make sure that you have your post a preview tab enabled. So that way, when this clip uploads, it will go directly to your IG feed. Reason being, after you upload a video on your IGTV, you cannot redo this step. So I really recommend to do this now while you're initially uploading the video. So the next thing we're going to do is click post. So now step number 2 is you want to open up your Instagram app. And now, as you can see, your IGTV is now on your IG feed. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to click on the post, and you want to click the little share tab, and you want to add it to your story. So this is where the swipe up feature is actually going to happen. The magic is going to happen right here. So you want to add some type of call of action so they'll know to swipe up. So we're going to just add this swipe up text right here. And you know, you can add whatever other bells and whistles really resonate with your brand or with you and your personality. So the next thing you want to do is click the little link at the top, and you have to add the IG video so that way they'll know what to do. So once you click that, you're going to send and add it to your story. And now I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So as you all can see, you have the swipe up little GIF that's really interactive, and it's letting my target audience know exactly what I want them to do. And of course, in the video, I will be giving some sort of call to action, you know, whatever my topic is about, or whatever the case may be. So now they're gonna swipe up and then click that title, and there's the link, and it'll take them exactly to wherever it is that you want them to go in the internet world. So I really hope that this helped you, and make sure you click that notification bell so you'll always be up to date with all of this super dope content that I have coming your way. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. And are you going to be the next bold, ambitious, bossed up entrepreneur? I hope so. See you all in the next one. Peace.